मैं आपको सिखाऊंगा कि बेकार के ड्राफ्ट पेपर का उपयोग करके एक बहुत ही मजेदार रिवॉल्वर कैसे बनाएं।
Today I'll try this tutorial and see if it really works. The guy in the video talks so fast that I had to replay it 100 times and it took me an entire day to finish this. It has a lot of cutting paper into different sized roll and attaching them. After watching the video in loop, I understood the mechanism of the paper gun. There is a rubber band, so when we pull the trigger, it pushes the paper tube above it, which then applied force to the bullet inside the main gun body. Everything was working up until now, and I finally managed to finish the gun. After taking hours to complete this, here is the moment of truth. The paper roll does not generate enough force to hit the bullet. The gun did not fire, so at the end of the day, a whole day of work was a fail.